Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and we have a very easy freebie doing it as a curbside offer, and I have another deal for some $2.49 Head and Shoulders shampoo, a fancier one that is in store. So this video is kind of all over the place, but the first one is a curbside deal. Now, just for all the new shoppers out there, what is a curbside deal? You're basically ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check, going to your store and picking it up. If the item is like you just cannot load it, it's probably out of stock. Although the Walgreens app and Facebook and Instagram and a whole bunch of different other social media sites were completely down yesterday, and I was having a ton of issues with the Walgreens app too. So, I mean, just give it a little bit, and if you can track down this freebie, I mean, by all means, make it happen. Okay, so this is the deal that we're talking about. What you're going to do is you are going to look specifically for this guy, which is the OGX Locking Coconut and Curl Finishing Mist. And it's on clearance for $2.99. So for two of them, it would be $5.98. Now, currently, OGX gave us this 6 off of 2 digital coupon. So it will reduce down to exactly $5.98. If you're going to try to do this in store with OGX clearance shampoo, you have to pass the threshold of $6. But for curbside, you could be, $6 or less, and the coupon will reduce down to the cost. So it would be $5.98. As you're doing this one as a curbside pickup, your minimum balance has to be $10. So just being kind of smart, everything going on right now, I'm going to throw in 3 of these toilet papers, and they are buy one, get one 50% off. And I know that Scott isn't everybody's favorite, but I think it's a definite time to be stocking up on paper. We're going to load Best Friend, which is a 2 off of 2 digital coupon, so you can either get the toilet paper or paper towel, you pick. And then just to show you, our Scott coupon is coming off in OGX, so it went from $6 to $5.98, and that happens curbside only. It doesn't happen with in store. Unfortunately, you'd have to be $6 or more. So just keep that in mind for all the new shoppers. And unfortunately, I could also not get a coupon code to work with this basket. Maybe it was yesterday's insanity where nothing was working. So the overall basket is $18.48. I have the $7.98 melting off with the digital coupons. So the total here is $11.61. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it and pay $1.61. And I think this is an excellent basket. Now, this next deal for Head and Shoulders, do it in store. Not negotiable, do it in store, because you need a receipt for IBOTTA, and I don't want you guys to get turned around with not getting a receipt, doing it as a curbside pickup. So these Head and Shoulders, it's called the Clinical. They are 50% off at $5.99. I've seen them at multiple stores. Now, I don't know if it's on a promotion this week, like buy 2, get a $3 register reward. And we have like a huge snowstorm, so I can't run out and look for tags. And I tried looking it up online, and there's no info. Maybe anyone in store today can let us know if there is a deal. But just grabbing one of those, you would load this digital coupon, which is a $2 off. That conditioner, I really wanted to try it. So hopefully the snowstorm lays up a little bit so I can sneak over to Walgreens. And IBOTTA has $1.50 back for each. So that is like fantastic. Just make sure you have the same rebate. I think some people have up to $2 back, but I had $1.50 on my account. So just a very straightforward deal. One of these bottles at 50% would be $5.99. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $3.99. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $1.50 back. So the final price point for this bottle that's almost $12 is $2.49. And then if it might have a deal like buy 2, get a $3 register reward, look for the tag. Unfortunately, I don't have that info off the top of my head, and it's not online. And if you wish to use Walgreens cash, go for it. You can use up to 4 for this one, and it's just a super deal. Somewhat frustrated yesterday, guys, where a lot of digital coupons that were showing up in the app, you just could not load them. You kept getting this goofy message of, we're going to need a minute. When this $30 coupon for the Oral-B populates, load it right away, because this will be a cornerstone for superb deals in the next couple weeks. And it's not only on one brush, it's on many. Just throw that in your back pocket. And if you missed it, I made a video yesterday where I'm talking about Body Care Day, and it's happening this weekend, starting tomorrow, which is Friday the 13th, over at Bath and Body Works. And a lot of our favorite body care items, little spray perfumes or misting perfumes, body washes, lotions, hand creams, all that great stuff. $4.95. If you want more information on this, because I know a lot of us will be shopping this event this weekend, check out the video linked right here. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.